Curry the Goat, written by Susanne Curry, illustrated by Alyssa Felicia Fisher. It's rush hour in downtown Carriacou. Bus horns go toot-da-toot-toot. The car radios go boom-daddy-boom-boom. Curry is the smallest goat in the herd. She is shy and timid. She loves to daydream. Today, she daydreams about being brave. Where did everybody go? Bleat, bleat, bleat. I'm all by myself. How will I cross the road? Hey, little ant, can you help me cross the road? I do not want to cross the road, says little ant. I'm busy eating. Boom, daddy, boom, boom, go the car radios. Toot, daddy, toot, toot, go the bus horns. Oh, who can help me? Curry cries. Hey, Auntie Bird, will you help me cross the road? Just fly up here and follow me, says Auntie Bird. Curry tries to jump to the sky, but splat! The sun is setting. Tears fall from Curry's eyes. How will I ever cross the road? Boom, daddy, boom, boom, toot, toot, da, toot. Suddenly, a small black goat is there beside her. Where did you come from? Curry asks. The small black goat does not answer. You must be shy like me, Curry says. Did you lose your family too? The small black goat still does not answer. Let's cross together, Curry says. If you are here, I will not be scared. But the small black goat still does not answer. Curry looks to the left, the black goat looks to the left. Curry looks to the right, the black goat looks to the right. All clear! One step, two steps, three steps. Curry closes her eyes as night falls. Please go slow, she says. I'm very afraid. Curry opens her eyes. Where is the little black goat? Don't leave me behind. Wait for me, black goat, Curry cries. She runs across the road. Curry, you crossed the road all by yourself, cheer the other goats. You were brave. By myself? Curry looks around for the small black goat, but she cannot see it anywhere. I guess I am brave after all.